Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, a little parcel has just come through my letterbox from the postman, and I thought we'd just open it together and have a look and see what's in it. So, it's a small thin parcel, funny shape for a diamond painting, but we'll have a look and see. Okay, oops, I have opened it just to make it easier to get into, allegedly. Oh, right, okay, so this then is my set of 8 Easter cards that I ordered, and I only ordered these on, I think it was the 11th of January. Yeah, I'm sure it was the 11th of January. I've not got it written down on my piece of paper, I've just had a look. And it's on my phone and I'm recording, so what can I do? But yeah, so they've come really fast. They are from Paintingbynumbers store on AliExpress, and there's a few sort of sets around. I did some last year. I do like to send out Easter cards, and I just saw these this year and I thought, oh, they're different to the ones from last year. There does seem to be a lot more choice now on things. Manufacturers, oh gosh, can I get into this? Can I heck? Manufacturers do seem to be cottoning on to the fact that we do have different festivals, we have cards for different things. Just let me get into here and stop my crinkling a little bit, because you can't hear me over the crinkling. Sometimes I can't hear myself over the crinkling. Keep that back, because I will put them back in there, if I can get them back in there. So yeah, so the hearts are, they are sort of cottoning on to the fact that there's different times of year, like Valentine's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all things like that. So this is a set of 8 cards, and I was really pleased with the ones I got last year. What I tend to do is actually cut off the card, cut it in half. I mean, these are, oh, and the blank inside. Hey, that's brilliant. I do prefer it when you can either put your own message inside, put your own insert inside, rather than sometimes the cards come with, say, Happy Easter up there, and they're like a letter form rather than actually a card form. But these are nice being blank. But yeah, what I tend to do, rather than actually use it as the card as it's intended, I sometimes like a little bit bigger card. So I would cut the front off and use that as one card. And then that's quite nice actually, as like a centerpiece with Happy Easter on. So you could put a couple more embellishments on that and use that as a card as well. I'm a very frugal card maker. I do like to get my money's worth out of things when I get them. So let's have a look through these cards. We've got a very basic toolkit there, but we have got a couple of little grip seal bags. What's that? About 5 maybe, 4, 5. So pen, book, wax, yeah, that's fine. And we've got some envelopes. See, we've got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and they feel like a nice, oh, they are. They're a good thick quality, so you're not going to see your card through that when it goes through the post. Okay, so let's just have a look through the cards first, then we'll have a measure, and then we'll have a look at the drills. Oh, I've got some special drills in there as well. Can you see? Quick peek, quick peek. Okay, so we've got Bunny, which is gonna really feel sick if he eats all those eggs. His mummy's not gonna be happy with him. Yeah, if he has all that chocolate, he will be bouncing around, won't he, for a bunny? And then we've got this side that just has the little basket. Again, it just folds in half. So you could use it as is. You don't have to put an insert in, but you can either stamp a message or handwrite a message if you can read your writing. Can't read my writing. Everything has to be printed. Or whichever you want to do. As I say, I tend to use that picture and frame it and put it on a larger card. But there's quite a bit of drilling to do on that one. And it's a partial, so the background isn't diamond painted. You've just got your lovely picture as a background. And then the bunny and the eggs are all diamond painted, but his little mouth there and his eyes aren't, so that you keep the detail on the eyes with it being so small. But he has got a little pink nose, so we are going to be putting some on his nose. Oh, look at his little feet with his little toes. Oh, couldn't you just give that a cuddle? What a cute bunny. I do like bunnies. Okay, so that's number 1. Again, blank inside. Oh my goodness me. Wow, that one's a little bit scary. So he's popped out and he's like, hey. He's popped out of this big egg here. Maybe he's had too much chocolate as well. And we've got his friend over here, look, balancing an Easter egg with a happy Easter at the background there. So yeah, nice flowers. A nice background, that one. Just flows along. I mean, you could actually put that on a bigger card and have it, you know, that as the front of the card, and just put somebody's name or whatever on it there. But yeah, he's quite sweet, that one. I do like that one. Sorry, my printer's just decided to have a little chat to me as well. Yeah, actually, that's probably quite, and although you could send it to a girl, it may be quite, if you've got little boys in the family, they'd probably like that one because it's not too cutesy for a little boy that's got to that age where, oh, he's not wanting to be girly. So yeah, that's quite a nice little generic card, that one. Okay, oh, let's have a look. This one's the other way up. Let's turn these the other way up. So we have some little bit more grown-up cards, shall we say. So this is an Easter basket with some eggs in and some little crocuses. Or tulips. There might be tulips, because I know you can get crocuses in like the yellow colour and the white. I don't know if I've ever seen pink crocuses. I've seen purple ones. I'm not sure if you can get pink ones. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below. And I love that. That is fab. That's definitely got to go on a different card. Look at that little bunny just popping out there. Can you just see him? He's just saying hello, just popping around there with all the different things in the background. But yeah, and the backgrounds are actually on this one even nicely printed. You've got all like eggs painted in the background there, just marking out eggs and flowers. Very Eastery. So a little bit more grown up, that one. I must admit, I prefer the cutesy. Much as I love getting fresh flowers, when I get cards and things, I don't like a cute card. Oh, and this one's lovely. This is very Eastery. So this one's got your eggs in it, another nice wicker basket. And I like the way they've done the drills on this one. Look, all in the rows and then the down rows. And we've got some slightly different colours in for shading to make it look more like a weaved basket. And then we've got daffodils in this one. That could possibly be a bluebell. Not sure, but it's blue, so we'll go with that. And then some eggs as well. And then the back on this one, look at that bunny. The face on that bunny is just absolutely wonderful. So funny. With his little painted egg there. So that's that one. And then, oh, this one looks really surprised. So he's got lots of eggs and he's just popped up. I think he's quite surprised at how many eggs he's received, that one. And then, oh, this is definitely mummy, look. You're not having this egg, you've had too many. And this one's saying, oh no, mum, let me just have one more. So yeah, these pictures are fab. Very different from last year's. I think last year's were mainly chicks and things that I got, and an odd bunny. But yeah, I like these. Yeah, I'm thinking now who I'm going to send them to. We've got sort of baubles hanging. A bit more Christmassy maybe, but I suppose you can have them. It's a celebration, so you can have them all year round. But yeah, they're really pretty. Okay, and then another bunny. Goodness me, so what have we got? 4 bunnies? Yeah, it looks like we've got 4 bunnies. And 4 sort of baskets or eggs. So 4 kiddie ones and 4 bit more adulty ones, or 8 if 8 bunnies or 8 adulty ones if you want to split them in half. So yeah, this is a little pretty bunny. Look, she's got long eyelashes. So I think she's a girl with the little eyelashes. And we've got all the eggs here and some daffodils and narcissi. And these are daisies. I know these are daisies. Oh, those blue flowers then, I don't know what they are. They forget-me-nots. I'm not very good on flowers. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below if you know what they are. They might be primroses. Possibly, not sure. But anyway, and then some more eggs. So yeah, I'm really pleased with these. The pictures are gorgeous and I'm even more pleased that they are blank inside. And then we've got one huge Easter egg. Wow, there's going to be a lot of little teeny tiny teardrops and marquees on these, I think, judging by the shapes of these flowers around here, these little daisies. And then this background is just eggs and things there, and all the daisies along the bottom. Really pretty, really super. I mean, you could send that one to a man because it's got, you know, sort of generic colours on it. You've got your oranges and blues and things. And another basket, which is the first one that we saw with the blue bow on it. And again, we've got our daffodils and everything. And yeah, so very, very pretty. Very pleased with these. So we've got, say, the 4 bunnies in various different, well, facial expressions, shall we say. And then 4 sort of baskets. Very, very pretty. Sorry about the shadows. It's exceptionally dark here today. It's like somebody forgot to pay the bill and turn the lights on, you know. It's just not got light all day today. It's been awful. So let's measure one of these then. Give it a fold in half. They are pre-creased, so it is just a case of folding them over. They've all got the little plastic sheet on, which you keep on until you're going to do your diamond painting. So I think they're going to be about a 6-inch square. I don't think they look quite a 7, so let's have a look. Yeah, they're 15 centimetres, which is just under 6 inches. And are they square? Yep, so roughly 15 centimetres square, 6-inch square. So if you've got, say, a 7-inch by 7-inch greeting card blank, you could put that on the centre and it just gives you that nice little border around the edge. You could either put it in the yellow or the green, match it up with colour, or even white on these, because they're like spring colours. A nice bright white card underneath would just look really fresh, and give it that little bit extra, that little bit of pop there. So these cost me £9.83 for 8 cards. So what's that, about £1.20-ish? Yeah, about £1.20-ish a card. Don't get me on maths. So not too bad. I mean, I don't know how much you would pay. I know you can buy sort of cheaper packs of cards, but like handmade cards, and particularly with all the embellishments, I think you would pay more than £1.20 in a shop for one. Ooh, there it is. Let me find the end. Let's have a look at these. Okay, we'll put the specials on one side a moment. They're very pretty. We have a lot of colours here. Goodness me. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, we've got a snake with an extra bit there. So there is 29 colours there. 34 gems and colours. So there is a lot of little fine detail in this. Somebody's put a lot of thought into these, which is good. We like that. So we've got our lovely chocolatey colours. Oh, chocolate. I'm addicted to chocolate, I admit it. I wonder if there's a chocolate anonymous. Yeah, if I'm having a bad day, I reach for the Kit Kats. It's no good. We've got some lovely lemony colours there. Nice bright white there in the middle. Is there any DMC codes? No, there's no DMC codes with this. So that's okay. It's a shame because there is a lot of nice colours that I would have quite liked to put into my spares, but no, that's fine. I can live with that. Got a buttermilk colour there, and your orange red, and sort of a cherry red, and another couple of oranges there. Oh, I love that fresh green. That's so spring. Love that. And then we've got another couple of greens, and the blue, and the pale grey. Hot pink on Easter eggs, yay! And then we've got another couple of pinks and pinky purples, and a grey colour, and another couple of blues. And then we have another blue, like an aqua blue, a pearly blue, and like a school blue, as I call it, and that's like a denim-y blue, and then like a pale peachy pinky colour. And then our specials. Let's have a look at these specials. Wow. Oh, these are nice, good quality grip seal bags as well. So we've got some marquees there. And they're the AB coated marquees with a nice sparkly fresh coating on them. And some, there's no facets on those, they're like a half sphere little gold, very pretty. And oh, I like those aqua coloured teardrops, look, with an AB coating. That's Aurora Borealis. That's like an oil on water type effect that they put on top of the normal gem, just to make it sparkle and give different colours off as you look at it. And then that's a white AB coated teardrop there. And then finally, goodness me, some little teeny tiny teardrops there in that aqua blue colour. So there is some very, very small ones there. But I do use my Pretty Places with these. I do find that using the Pretty Placer crayons, it does pick them up really, really well. So that is my Easter cards. Shall we measure the envelopes? I don't think we need to. I think you can see that the envelope is just that little bit bigger, so even with the gems on, your card's going to fit in. And don't forget my little trick of, if you do send a card through the post, fold it the other way on so that your diamonds are on the inside of the card. So when it goes in the envelope and goes through the post, you're not going to damage your diamonds. They're not going to move because they're on the inside of the card. I've never had a problem either. I've never sealed any of the cards that I've sent, and I've never had a problem with the gems coming off or sticking when I've sent them through the post. So just a little tip there. I used to do that a lot when I did my 3D decoupage cards, because it just saved them getting squished in the post. Okay. Oops. One just decided to jump out at me. Way! They're haunting me, look, they're getting at me, these little tiny teardrops. So that's the Easter cards, which I think are super. Very impressed with these, like them, lovely quality. They're nice, I would think they're about a 300 GSM. Sorry, I'm not sure what that is in pounds for America. But yeah, it's a good quality, so it's not going to get the Bambi legs, you know, where you put it on the mantelpiece and it goes whoop and falls over. These are going to stand up really, really well. Okay. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these Easter cards with me. If you have, then a thumbs up is always much appreciated. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in comments down below, and I will put the details of where I got the cards from, the link to them. And if you want to come back and see these possibly completed and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.